Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about the water cycle. What is the water cycle? The water cycle is the way water moves around Earth. Water can be found in oceans, lakes, rivers, and other places. It can also travel into the air and form clouds. Water is always moving and changing as it goes through the water cycle. Step 1. Evaporation. Evaporation happens when the sun heats water. The water changes from a liquid into an invisible gas called water vapor. The water vapor rises into the air and continues through the water cycle. How it works: the sun heats water, causing it to change into water vapor. The water vapor rises into the air, starting the next part of the water cycle. Step 2. Condensation. Condensation happens when water vapor rises into the cooler air. The water vapor cools down and changes into tiny drops of water. These tiny drops come together to form clouds. How it works: water vapor cools as it rises. It changes into tiny water drops, which come together to make clouds. Step 3. Precipitation. Precipitation happens when water drops in clouds become too heavy to stay in the air. The water falls from the clouds back to Earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. How it works: water drops come together inside clouds. When they become heavy enough, they fall back to Earth as precipitation. Step 4. Collection. Collection happens when water from precipitation gathers on Earth. Water can collect in oceans, lakes, rivers, ponds, and other places. Some water can also soak into the ground. How it works: rain, snow, sleet, and hail bring water back to Earth. The water then gathers in different places, such as oceans, lakes, and rivers. The water cycle keeps going. The water cycle is a continuous process. Water moves through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. After collection, the sun heats the water again, and the cycle continues. How it works: water moves through each step of the cycle and eventually returns to the beginning. The sun provides the energy that helps keep the water cycle moving. Thanks for watching this educational video. We hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you want to learn next. See you in the next video. Bye.